Hello guys, I welcome you here again for another mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious and yummy carrot jollof rice. If you are new here, you are welcome, and for my old subscribers, I say thank you for always being here. For the ingredients I will be using for this recipe are carrots, my yellow and red bell pepper, and I'll also be using garlic. The first thing I'll be doing is to rough blend everything and then I'll set aside. Now in a hot pan, I will add my vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and then I'll allow to hot for some minutes, and thereafter I will add my onions. At this point, you want to be generous with your onions. I like onions very raw in my food, so I will have to add a lot to it. And then I will stir this up and fry this for some minutes, and then I will add my fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you know you can tolerate. And I also like spicy food, so I will add the one I know I can be able to manage. And then I'll go ahead to stir this up and allow to fry again for some minutes, and then I will show you the next thing to do. Now that the onions and pepper have been fried, I will go ahead to add the rough blended carrots, bell pepper and garlic, and then I will give this a stir. And guys, if you have watched this video to this point and you are enjoying the cooking, please do well to share this video and give it a thumbs up in order for more people to be aware of this video. Thank you. I will cover to cook for 4 to 5 minutes thereabout, and then open up the pot. At this point, I will be adding my seasoning Maggi, and then I will add salt. I will also add curry powder, and then I will be adding bay leaf, and then I will also add thyme, and I will give everything a good stir. At this point, I will be adding the parboiled washed rice. You can use basmati rice or any rice of your choice. And then I will toast this for some minutes. By so doing, I will stir this up over and over in order for the rice not to get burned. And then I will show you the next ingredients I will be adding into this. And now that the rice have been toasted well enough, I'll go further to add water. And please don't over add water into your rice in order for it not to be soggy. And then I'll go ahead to give this a stir. I will be testing for salt just to know if there is enough salt and Maggi. I will be adding some Maggi, and then I will also add some salt. And at this point, I will be adding my egg fish. I grill this with my oven. Better still, you can fry yours or you can add it fresh. You can as well add any protein of your choice. If you have chicken, turkey, if you have any other fish like mackerel fish, you can add to it. Now I'll be covering this up to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and thereafter I will open up the pan. Our rice is almost cooked but not fully cooked. I'll go ahead to stir this up. I'll stir it slowly in order for my fish not to break or scatter into my jollof rice. After stirring this up, I will then leave the rice to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, jollof rice is ready. This was so yummy. It was so tasty. If you try this, please let me know. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.